Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will be showing you how to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet. This is a new feature that the Pi core team has brought out now, which protects your Pi wallet from any intended person that is trying to steal your Pi coins from you. With two-factor authentication activated on your Pi wallet, even if someone steals your passphrase, the person will not be able to log in into your Pi wallet. And if the person is not able to log into your Pi wallet, the person will not be able to take anything from your wallet. All thanks to the two-factor authentication, which guarantees the security of your wallet once you activate it. And also for you to receive the second Pi migration, which is currently ongoing now, you need to activate two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet. This will qualify you to receive your second Pi migration from the Pi core team. Good. Before we proceed, I will say if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please hit the subscription button and stay subscribed, and also turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post good videos like this. And also don't forget to share this video to other pioneers out there. Let them be aware of the two-factor authentication that is available now for Pi wallets, so they can quickly and immediately activate it on their Pi wallet and protect it from any persons trying to steal from them. Thank you. And to do this is very simple. All you need to do is you click on your Pi browser. This is mine here. And whatever I'm going to show you, please kindly make sure you do it inside your Pi browser. Don't do it any other place to avoid exposing yourself. And also allow your Pi browser load fully well before you do anything. Good. Once it has loaded like this, the next thing you do is you click on this button at the center part here, written home. You click on it. This is to reveal the address bar of your Pi browser. Good. And once the address bar has opened like this, the next thing you do is you clean up everything there, clean it up, and then you type in this URL, pinet-authentication.web.app. Yes, the URL is pinet-authentication.web.app. Don't worry, this URL, I will place it on the description of this video, so anytime you want to activate this 2FA feature on your Pi wallet, kindly go to the description of this video. You will see this URL there. Copy it exactly the way it is and paste into your Pi browser's address bar and navigate to the site to activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. And also you can see it is displayed on the screen here, so please make sure you get it exactly. Don't add anything, don't remove anything. Thank you. And once you've rightly entered the URL like this, the next thing you do is you place on enter to navigate to the page. Good. And once the page has loaded like this, the next thing you do is you go down to the bottom of the page. And for you, when you want to do yours, you can take your time and read every other thing on the site to understand how this 2FA works and how it protects your Pi wallet. But for now, I just want to show you how to activate it on your Pi wallet to protect your Pi wallet from scammers. Good. So once you are here and you get this down part, all you need to do is to click on this button that says activate 2FA on your Pi wallet. Good. Now it takes you to this other page where you authenticate your Pi wallet. The particular Pi wallet you want to activate 2FA protection on, that is the wallet you put its 24 passphrase into this box here. Whichever wallet you put it 24 passphrase of it inside this box, it is on that particular wallet that this two-factor authentication will be activated on. So make sure you put the right one that has your assets that you want to protect. I have mine copied already on my clipboard. All I need to do is to long press on this box and then paste in my phrase. Good. And once it has been pasted like this, the next thing you do is you click on authenticate with passphrase, this button here. Click on it. Excellent. Now this is the email verification page. This is where you will link an email address to your Pi wallet. This email will be where all the authentication codes will be sent to anytime someone wants to access your wallet from a Pi browser that is not this one you're activating it on. Good. That person will be sent an authentication code to this email you put in here. Good. And if the person doesn't provide that authentication code, that means the person cannot enter your wallet. That is how this thing does the magic. So I'm going to go ahead and put the email address I want to use for my two-factor authentication. I'll put it inside this box. I'll type it in. Good. There's another space where you confirm the email address just to be sure. So I'll just type in the email address again. Excellent. And once I have typed it in like this, the next thing I'm going to do is to click on this button that says send verification code. Good. And just allow it to do everything it wants to do and send you the code which you will use to complete this process. Just give it time. Excellent. The code has been sent. Verification code sent to my email. Good. Now, the next thing I'm going to do is I will navigate to my email address and get this code and input it here to finalize this two-factor authentication setup on my Pi wallet. Follow me to my email address. Let me get the code sent to me. Okay, this is my email address here. It's Google, Gmail. We open it. Excellent. The code came in. You can see it here. Pi network support 2FA verification code. Good. So what I'm going to do now is I will open the email to get the code. Let's go. Beautiful. You can see the code here, 205760. Now all I need to do is to long press on this code, copy it, and then I'll go back to the page and then put it here. Long press again, paste it in. Good. And once I've pasted it like this, the next thing I'll do is to click on this button that says verify and activate 2FA to finalize the setup. So I'll click on it and you allow it. Perfect. Wonderful. Now I have actively and successfully activated the two-factor authentication of my Pi wallet. Now my wallet is bulletproofed from anybody trying to steal from me. Even if you take my Pi passphrase now, you will not be able to log in into my Pi wallet because you don't have access to my email, and when they send you the code, you will not be able to get it. And if you don't get it, you can't log into my wallet, and if you can't log into my wallet, you cannot steal from me. This is how these 2FA features guarantees the security of your Pi wallet. So if you're a pioneer there and you've watched this video to this end, kindly pick up your own now and quickly activate the two-factor authentication on your Pi wallet the same way I have done mine here. Follow my steps exactly the way I do it. You will be able to activate yours, and once you get to this page, you know you have successfully activated yours. And that brings us to the end of the video. I will say, if you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do that now. Subscribe, because I'll keep bringing good videos to this channel. Don't stay missed out. Turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified anytime I post videos. And also, I know this video is very, very helpful, and if you really find it helpful, please kindly share it to other pioneers out there. Let them be aware of the two-factor authentication that is available now, which they should and have to and need to activate on their Pi wallet to protect it from scammers, so they don't fall victims to Pi wallet hacks and losing their hard-mined Pi or hard-bought Pi. Thank you very much, and see you on the next one. Bye-bye.